Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we are in Thika Golf View Estate and we're bringing you this magnificent 4-bedroom maisonette. It's actually a mansion, it's big, and considering the space, we're going to appreciate this unit. This is a house that we have seen come all the way from the foundation. You're getting a very nice cabro paved way all the way from your gate. You're getting electric fence all around for maximum security, and what you're seeing there is a 1-bedroom DSQ that is self-contained, comes with a kitchen, and on top we have 2 massive tanks for water backup, and we also have another underground tank. The facade of the house has been done very well, and it is consistent even with the perimeter wall. As you have seen, you get a lot of green spaces, something that is rare to find, and this property is sitting on a proper 50 by 100, and I'm quite surprised because this 50 by 100 parcel looks bigger than usual. You will appreciate the green spaces and the mature trees that you're seeing, and the grass has been done very well. You can see all the way around the house you have some well done concrete footsteps to make sure you're not stepping on the grass, and your hanging lines area have been done right here. And back to our front yard, you are getting this shaded parking area for your 2 SUVs, and if you have a function or you have more guests, you see that you'll not run out of parking space. It's quite enough. We are now getting to see the interior of the house, and I love these moldings at your grand entrance, the 2 lion heads and these spiraling towers. Very magnificent. You get a very big door right here that can open both ways to allow you to let in all your furniture and all the items that you're going to be bringing in this house. You're getting a very generous or big living lounge that comes with tons of natural lighting. You're getting very nice lighting features, and the good part is not a lot has been done on the interior apart from good crisp finishes. So if you want to adjust the interior, it won't be really costly. I love the tiling and the way the floor has been done. The colors are very well contrasting, and this is your dining space that comes with a vanity setup. And one thing that we went big with in this unit is the doors. You're getting solid quality wooden doors, and from your dining you're getting to access your kitchen through that door. You get a very big kitchen with enough marble countertops, and you're getting a double sink, plenty of cabinetry, and this kitchen has a very big window letting in a lot of maximum natural lighting. Additionally, you're also getting a hood extractor and a space for your 6-burner cooker. This kitchen is very functional and very big as well. From the kitchen, this door leads you to your utility or laundry space, and as you can see, you can still use this door to access your front yard. This is how you can come all the way to the front yard. Again, back to the beautiful facade of the house. Look at it, very beautiful. So then we are going back so that we can see the laundry area, which has been done very well. Will keep your washing machine protected from rain and dust, which makes it way durable. As you can see, done very well with provisions for power through the sockets, and you're also getting a very nice tiled pattern to protect your walls. It's a very well done house, especially on the part of the laundry section. Now we're back to the house, and you need to take note of the quality of the doors. These are solid wooden doors, and that is something that I truly appreciate about this house. From that space, you can access this common washroom that will be used by your guests. It's located right next to the guest bedroom, which we'll be seeing in a while. This washroom and every other washroom that you will see comes with these high quality shower heads, not the instant showers, which makes it very safe. And I love the way they have done the tiling, and every washroom comes with its own vanity setup. The first bedroom is located on this floor. That is the guest bedroom. And now you're going upstairs. Now the surprises will begin from here. You're getting these amazing sensor downlighters to light up your stairway. A very cool feature that I found very useful when you don't have to turn on all your lights when you're going downstairs or upstairs at night. I really admired this feature. But wait, more surprises are lying ahead, especially in the primary bedroom. Looking up, you will appreciate this beautiful gypsum ceiling that comes with a blue snake light and some very well done downlighters. And you're also getting tons of natural lighting from this window that runs all the way up. Now let's proceed upstairs and check out what this house has to offer on this upper level. We are starting on this side where we have the office or the prayer room. We are currently using it as an office, and from here you get to access your CCTV surveillance around the house. You can see what is happening. This is a very spacious office. You can set it up to be a library or whatever you want to use it for. Can also be used as a gaming room, family room. You can make use of it anyhow you wish, and as you can see, you're getting to see the live footage of what is happening around you and around your environment. It's a nice security feature and also a nice thing to look at when you're in the house, just to see what is happening around you. Next, on this side, you are having a very beautiful 2 bedrooms that look very identical, and the best part is they all come with their own balconies. That is a feature I truly loved. And on top of that, you're getting very beautiful gypsum ceilings with golden snake lights, giving the rooms warm feeling and that warm light. The warm ambience is something that one must appreciate. You're getting a dressing mirror in each of the rooms and a very nice window to air and let in maximum natural lighting. And from this side, from the window, you can even see the road and the very serene neighborhood. Thika Golf View Estate is next to the Thika Golf Club, which makes it a very ideal location and very convenient. There is a shopping center right nearby called, Delview. If you know that area, then you know where that is. And look at this, it's a very beautiful shower that you're getting attached to your second bedroom on this level. Look at that, the finishes are done to perfection. You're getting a very well spaced washroom. I love the flooring, the tiling on the wall makes it super easy to clean this space up. And as I mentioned, every unit, every bathroom comes with its own vanity setup. Let's proceed to check out the third bedroom on this level. This is it. Comes very similar to the other one, but the window is facing your front yard, and you're getting the same setup in the washroom. Very quality shower heads, quality finishes in the washroom, a very decent unit. Another thing that I have forgotten to mention is that the wardrobes and the fittings of this house have been done very well. We were very keen on making sure that we keep in mind durability and seamlessness, and as you can see, every bedroom comes very functional and comes with its balcony, and as I said, they are very identical. So this is one of the balconies. It looks like that, with a wooden ceiling, very neat and very decent. And as you can see, you're getting very beautiful views of the houses around and the serene neighborhood. We are back to the other bedroom just to show you how the balcony looks like on this side. Very similar. You're getting to see your entire neighborhood from it. And if we zoom out just a little bit, you can see the highway right there. So you know we are not joking when we are talking about convenience. You are literally a stone throw away from the tarmac. A very, very ideal location for you. And as I mentioned, you're getting access to all social amenities. Now we are in the primary bedroom, which I know will surprise you, especially on the part of the master washroom. You're getting a very big space for your bed. You're getting 2 closets on both sides. You can make it his or hers, or however you wish. You're also getting a blue gypsum ceiling with a blue snake light. You can make adjustments if you don't like the blue. And you're also getting a very generous balcony attached to your primary bedroom that is giving you views of your neighborhood. You can also view your entire compound from this massive balcony. You can do your swinging chair here. You can set up some chilling spot right here. And this being a very quiet place in a controlled development estate, you're going to expect a lot of privacy. So you're going to have a very safe space here. You can see your car parking lot. You can see your DSQ right there. A very well done and thought out plan, I feel. Back into our primary bedroom, we are now proceeding to see the restroom, which I feel has also been done very well. This is where your dressing mirror is. You can make adjustments if that's what you want. You're getting a very nice vanity setup with some storage cabinets for your essentials. And you're getting a combined steam bath, jacuzzi and shower. This is a very, very interesting part for your relaxation after having a long day at work, or it's really a good place to come and relax and unwind as you take your steam bath. You're getting a rack for your toilet, and that TV turns on as well, and you can get to see what is around you. You can use it for entertainment. It's a very nice setup. The TV can also show you around what is happening through your CCTVs, and you're also getting your water closet there with a bidet. And the ceiling also comes with a very nice ambient snake light that you can also adjust the colors if you so wish. Other than that, I feel like this place is done very well to give you the feeling of comfort and luxury. And this is the last part of this video. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you're interested in viewing this house or making it your next home, our number is right on the screen. Stay tuned for more updates. Beautiful homes in Kenya and in Nairobi and everywhere. Bye bye. See you on the next video.